Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new, please subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to be updated with my new upload. In this video, we will do domestic flight booking with Cebu Pacific Airlines through their website. So, in your browser, type mo lang ang Cebu Pacific Okay, lalabas na po dito yung website nila. So, click mo lang yan. So, first, mamili muna tayo ng ating trip, one way or round trip. So, piliin natin one way. Like, for example, Manila, Dipolog, departure date, December 10, select date, adult, lagyan nyo lang po kung ilan kayo or kung ikaw lang mag-isa, so 1. Kung may children ka kasama or kung wala, 0 mo lang. Kung infants, wala, 0 mo lang din. So, okay na yan kung walang infant. And then, ito po, ang adult is 12 years old and above. Children is 2 to 11 years old. Infant is 2 years old and below. Or under 2 years old, I mean. Search flight. December 10. And then, mamili ka ng time, like for example, 9:40 a.m. So, lalabas na po yung bundle offers nila. So, Go Basic, 7 kg free hand carry. Wala po siyang check-in na free. Unlimited rebooking, but fare difference may apply. Next is Go AC. Mag-additional po kayo ng 525.28 per guest. May 7 kg hand carry, free, unlimited rebooking, fare difference may apply. Plus, mayroon siyang free na 20 kg na check-in baggage. Go Flexi is mag-additional ka ng 1,006.88 per guest. Free 7 kg hand carry, unlimited rebooking, fare difference may apply. 20 kg check-in baggage free, standard seat, CEBU Flexi, cancel for free, and store the value in a travel fund. So, ito lang nakagandahan nito. Pero mas malaki din yung additional niya, 1,000 eh. So, kung gusto mong makatipid at wala ka namang bagahe, so dito ka lang sa Go Basic. So, click mo lang yan. And then, continue. So, dito na tayo sa guest details. Selected bundles for this guest is Go Basic. So, name, title mo, Mr. Miss, first name, last name, and then, date of birth, day, month, year, nationality, and then kung may rewards, membership ka, optional lang. Then, i-check mo lang tong I have declared or request. And I am a person or with disability kung meron po kayong ganon. So, next is ilalagay mo yung contact information. Select country code. Philippines. Then, encode mo lang yung mobile number mo dito. Alternative or kung another number, number ba sa sister mo, sa brother mo, or other, basta optional din lang naman siya. So, okay lang kung wala. And then your email address. Kailangan kasi doon sila magsisend sa'yo ng notification. Then, i-retype mo lang yung email address mo dyan. Add emergency contact. Optional. So, pwede kung wala. Click mo lang yan, I confirm. And then, continue. Customize your flight with add-ons. So, ito. Add-ons you have. So, ayaw ko po nang mag-add-on. Travel Insure, 381. Ayaw ko po niyan. So, dito, kailangan po ninyong bantayan kung may na-add-on. Kasi minsan, automatic na nag-click eh. So, kailangan mo siyang ito. Yan, naka-add-on siya eh. O, i-click. Malalaman mo naman kung na-add-on nila dito sa site kasi may check siya, yung gaya kanina. So, titingnan nyo nang maigi, baka magugulat kayo, pag bayad nyo ay mas mahal na. So, yan, na-add-on siya yung insurance. So, i-remove mo lang. Yan. And then, so, nabawasan na siya, 2,016.28. And then, so, proceed to payment. You don't have any add-ons for your trip, so huwag na natin pansinin yan kung ayaw nyong mag-add-on. So, proceed anyway. Ayan po yung details, sa labas na po dyan. And then, click mo lang yan, and then continue. So, heads up. After selecting proceed to payment, you will be redirected to our payment partners page so you can complete your booking securely. So, proceed to payment. So, yan. Ito po yung payment method nila. So, kung may travel fund po kayo, so pwede nyo po siyang gamitin, yung travel fund ninyo. Lagay mo lang yung booking reference dito. Yung sa travel fund mo na booking reference. And then check balance, so magkano yun. Like for example, kung may kulang ka, 2,016.28 yung ticket mo, so yung travel fund mo is 1,400. So mag-additional ka doon sa the rest nun. Important reminders, basahin mo lang. So debit or credit card ba? E-wallet? PayPal ba, GrabPay, PayMaya, and GCash. And then, payment centers. Ayan po, more. Ano bang more? 7-Eleven, Robinsons. Ayan yung payment nila. And then, let's say, GCash ang piliin mo. So, I fully understood. And then, submit. Encode mo na yung GCash registered number mo dito and then follow lang sa instruction. Simple lang naman. So, hindi na po natin to i-proceed kasi mabawasan yung GCash natin ng 2,069. So, tutorial lang naman po ito. After ng booking mo nun, may marireceive ka na notification sa email mo. Andoon yung parang receipt mo and then yung e-ticket mo. So, dito, after sa booking, manage booking. Ayan. And then, i-input mo lang yung reference number ng iyong ticket. And then, surname ng guest mo or ikaw. Then, continue mo lang. So, lalabas na doon yung details mo at kailangan mo lang siyang i-update. Madali lang naman. So, kung gusto mong malaman yung travel status mo, kung na-cancel ba, before ka pumunta ng airport, titingnan mo muna siya. So, dito po kayo sa flight status. Ayan, lagay mo lang dito kung by route ba or by flight number. So, input mo lang dyan. And then, check status. Lalabas na po dyan kung not yet depart or canceled ba siya. Ganun po. So, yung ticket terms and conditions, siguro sa next video na po yun kasi haba na po masyado kung i-include ko pa siya dito. If you have questions po regarding sa booking, just comment below lang po and I will try my best to help you based on my experience po or maybe mag-research din tayo. As ayan po guys, and then thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to be updated for my next video. Bye-bye!